and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WXJ, Lisle, Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Coshocton, Gallia, Guernsey, Morgan, Muskingum, Nova. And finally, for these counties in northern West Virginia, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Word, and Wood. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast.